Ever wondered how to update a dated home without the hustle of remodeling? Well, you're not alone. Many of us yearn for change but dread the idea of an extensive remodel. We crave a fresh look, but the thought of the time, money, and effort involved can be daunting. The good news? There are affordable and innovative ways to breathe new life into your home without resorting to a complete overhaul. From clever use of color to strategic lighting, we've got you covered. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we help you turn your house into a dream home. The power of paint is undeniable. It's the silent interior designer, the unsung hero of home makeovers. A fresh coat of paint can transform the mundane into the magical, the dated into the dynamic. But it's not just about slapping on any color you fancy. It's about understanding the mood you want to create, the story you want to tell. Are you going for a calm, serene look? Try a soft blue or a gentle green. Want to make a bold statement? Go for vibrant yellows or rich reds. Remember, lighter colors can make a small room feel larger, while darker shades can create an intimate, cozy ambiance. And let's not forget about finishes. High gloss can add a touch of elegance, while matte gives a modern, understated look. And for those who want to add a bit of character to their home, textured paints are a fantastic option. So, before you discard that old furniture or wall, think about giving it a new lease of life with some paint. Let there be light, and there was a completely transformed space. In the realm of home updates, never underestimate the power of proper lighting. It's not just about illuminating a room, it's about creating an atmosphere, setting a mood, highlighting your favorite pieces, and even making a room look larger. When updating your home, start by taking a good look at your current light fixtures. Are they dated? Do they match the vibe you're going for? If not, consider swapping them out for something more modern and fitting. But remember, you don't need to break the bank. There are plenty of affordable lighting options out there that can make a big impact. Next, let's talk about natural light. It's free, it's abundant, and it can instantly make a room feel airy and open. So, throw open those curtains, clean those windows, and let the sunshine in. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Finally, consider the color of your light bulbs. Warm yellow light can create a cozy, inviting atmosphere, while cool white light can make a space feel clean and modern. The choice is yours, but the impact is undeniable. Remember, the right light can make all the difference. Fabrics and accessories can be your best friends in updating your home. When you're looking for affordable ways to refresh your space, don't overlook these everyday items that can make a world of difference. Consider throw pillows, for example. They're like the jewelry of your living room. By simply changing their covers, you can alter the entire mood of your space. Opt for vibrant colors or bold patterns to make a statement, or go for muted tones for a more calming effect. Next, let's talk about rugs. They're not just for covering up unsightly floors. A well-chosen rug can anchor a room, define it, add warmth, and help layer a room's decor. Think of a rug as a canvas where all other elements of your decor come together. Curtains, too, can drastically change the look and feel of a room. They can introduce softness and fluidity to a space, or add a dash of drama with bold colors and patterns. The best part is, you can change them with the seasons. Lighter fabrics for summer, heavier ones for winter. And let's not forget about other accessories like vases, picture frames, and wall art. These small details can bring out your personality and make your home truly yours. Remember, it's not always about making big changes. Sometimes it's the small updates that make the biggest impact. So, the next time you feel like your home needs a refresh, look around. You might already have everything you need right at your fingertips. Don't underestimate the power of a few well-placed accessories and some beautiful fabric. Updating your home doesn't have to cost you a fortune. As we've discussed, there are many ways to freshen up your living space without tearing down walls or investing in expensive renovations. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've explored today. Firstly, we talked about the transformative power of paint. A new color scheme can breathe new life into a room, making it feel larger, warmer, or more modern. Next, we discussed the importance of lighting. Simple changes like swapping out old light fixtures or adding additional light sources can dramatically alter the atmosphere of a room, making it feel more inviting and comfortable. Lastly, we examined the creative use of fabrics and accessories. From changing out your throw pillows to adding a stylish area rug, these small changes can make a big impact. They can change the feel of a room, add pops of color, and even reflect your personal style. Beyond these tips, remember that the best updates are the ones that make you feel at home. Consider what makes you happy and comfortable in your space. Perhaps it's a collection of family photos, a favorite piece of artwork, or a cozy reading nook. In the end, the goal is to create a space that feels welcoming and represents you. So don't be afraid to experiment and make changes until you find what works best for your home. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried any of these tips? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home improvement tips.